Like if you asked me even a year ago, 2 years ago, I would have said like there's no chance you'll ever catch me in the construction industry, on a building site, manufacturing anything. But like you need to learn about it to know that it's nothing like what you think it is. I absolutely love it and I'm really surprised with how much I do. I live in the middle of nowhere. If you can picture it, just all green and bog and forestry. I live in a little pocket of that. And then if you look out the front window of the house, it's all just mountains, fields, cows, bales, the whole lot. Whatever I got out of the day was whatever I got out of the day. Like if I put in more effort in school, I probably would have done better, but I decided that I wanted to go out to America and play rugby. That was a 6-year decision, so went out to St. Louis in Missouri on a little scholarship. Had a life-changing experience out there and absolutely loved it. We went on to win the D1 Elite National Championship, so got a big state championship ring for that, which is something I'll always hold on to. I've always wanted to do something like hands-on and kind of active, but construction or manufacturing never really crossed my mind. I'm a quality assurance technician, and within every process there's critical things that you have to check. So I'll come around, do my visual inspection, and then I'll come around and just make sure everything is okay, make sure everything going out is 100% quality controlled, quality assured. Going through training courses and stuff now, and I'm trying to start working my way up through the ranks and really just getting more and more knowledge. And so I'm really excited to see what the future holds in that regard. In my previous job, I'd come home after a day's work and I'd be whinging, to be honest. I'd be giving out about what I was doing. I come home from work now and I want to go back in straight away. Like I'll not shut up to mum ranting about how good of a day I'd have. Like every day is different than the day before. Like it's every single day you're learning something new, you're finding something new out, you're seeing a new problem that hasn't came up before and you're solving it with your team. Like it's something I never thought I would be doing, but I'm so glad that I am. Like I went in and I was petrified. I was like, these are all going to hate me. I was just a 19-year-old girl going into this industry completely clueless. Like they're going to be like, what is she doing here? It wasn't the case at all. Like everyone made me feel welcome straight away. The team, the production team that I'm a part of, really like settled my nerves as soon as I started and became a family like really, really quickly and welcomed me with open arms. A woman coming into such a male-dominated industry, like it's always going to be scary, and it's my job to stop them if they're doing something that's of a poor quality, if they're doing something that's wrong. So put any bit of fear behind you for the first while, and then just be yourself and you'll get settled in. I have a really strong relationship with all of my co-workers on the floor. They don't treat me any differently just because I'm a woman. Mom and Dad were telling me like if it's construction, like your hours aren't going to be 8 to 5, Giselle. Like they're just saying that to get you in the door, but no, it's since August it's been 8 to 5 Monday to Thursday, 7 to 4 on a Friday. Everyone is the same hours, so you have the whole rest of your evening to do whatever you want. You have your weekends off. Like I still have really, really good social life and just spending time with my friends, whether or not that's at rugby training or in the pub or going for a walk with them. Usually we'll have rugby training 3-4 times a week, and at least one of them days in the week we'll go to the local pub for a couple of pints afterwards. Playing with Connacht has been a dream come true as well, kind of, because when I started at the age of 13 or 14, I was like, okay, the goal is we'll get on a Connacht jersey someday, we'll get on a Connacht team. And when you do, like, they're not like, okay, you've got your Connacht cap, like, fair play to you. They're like, okay, Giselle, keep pushing, we want you to get to the next step, we want you to get that international cap. If I look back at a year ago today, I was going around America doing a psychology degree, which I didn't actually want to do. and I didn't know what I was going to get out of it, whereas now I'm absolutely loving what I'm currently doing, and I know what I'm going to be doing for the next however many years. Like, I know my career goals and everything like that. I know it's like probably a really simple thing to say, but like, just don't worry. Like, don't have any care in the world about what people are going to think. Don't write anything off. Them preconceptions, that's all they are. Like, they don't actually have any standing to you. Once you get in and get involved, like, you'll be completely fine.
Let's go to see the stars and the moon. I'd fly far into space as long as I am with you. The